Surprisingly, only a handful of creators know about these insane plugins for Premiere Pro, and guess what? They're completely free. Instead of wasting hours editing your clips or even searching through the boring stock Adobe effects, today I'll be showing you 4 amazing plugins that pretty much do the work for you. We'll jump straight into the first plugin by AE Juice. It's their free starter pack that contains over 100 assets, including liquid and shape elements, liquid transitions, slides for your slideshows, simple transitions, flat icons and UI elements. Now it's very easy to access and install this too. We just head to aejuice.com/free plugins and then download the starter pack. And then head to extensions in Premiere and select AE Juice. Drag it to wherever you like and then you're good to go. Next on the list are the Essential Motion preset packs by a small creator. Now you can donate here if you'd like to support him, otherwise the packs are completely free. Now this pack automates your motion to save you hours of time instead of doing it manually. For example, some of my clips have a slow zoom effect that I create using 2 scale keyframes. Instead, I can now just drag this effect on and it'll zoom for me. Now if you go through the rest of the pack, we'll find lots of other zoom effects, camera tilts and movement. And if you're wondering how we download and import this pack, we simply open the effects panel, select the 3-line menu and then click import presets and then locate your new preset files. It should now appear in the preset folder. Now I've saved the best until last as it's a huge pack by another small creator, AKV Studios. Now there's so many assets and overlays to choose from that I can't believe it's all free. All the creator asks is for you to support him on his socials and then you'll unlock the presets. So jumping straight in, we'll see tons of transition packs and overlays. I'm going to download the glitch pack and try it out. Again, import this using the menu here. Now these are slightly different as we have to nest our videos first to apply any of the effects or transitions, but it's pretty simple, so I'll show you how to do it. So place the playhead where you want the video to cut. Now use the arrow key to go forward 10 frames and make a cut, and then backwards 10 frames and make another cut. Now highlight these new sections and select nest. Now we can drag our transitions onto this nested sequence and it should look something like this. Once again, we've done barely any work and we have this creative transition to tie our 2 clips together. All of the links for these amazing plugins and presets will be down below. And don't forget to check out the creators to discover even more freebies. I'd like to thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next video.